How to claim achievements in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to click on your profile icon here at the top right. Now, once you're there, just simply go to the achievements section right here. Now, as you can see, I now have my first achievement, or not my first, but I have a available achievement to claim right here. So it was to send your first message in the chat, the hello world. So I'm just gonna simply click on it, and that will basically claim it, and it will add up to the achievement points right here, where this is the rewards that you can get once you reach the 40 mark and the 80 mark, 120 mark, and the 160 mark right here. So the title Galactus favorite, and you could also get it from here. So there are different rewards per section right here. The heroic journey. So these are the rewards. So you could get the costume Ivory Breeze right here, and Chronoverse Saga. You can get these rewards right there. And you could also see what you will need to do to gain achievement points. So let's say here on Hero Journey, you need to land 3 KOs with a single use of Living with Iron Fist. Or let's say here on Rivalry Rising, you need to take down 50 AI enemies in practice versus AI. And that's basically it.